This client asked for a pirate ship. And what have we done? We've created a pirate ship. Look at this. Handcrafted from 3D modeling sketch drawings through to something delivered on site, bespoke, handcrafted, full of imagination, built with passion, and delivered into this adventure park setting at this luxury hotel resort. I have the most amazing fortune to work with my son Charlie as operations director, and so we work together. We work together with design, 3D modeling to arrive at something that we can ship from our workshop in Surrey. Really smart carpentry, bespoke, imaginative, creative carpentry from drawings, but assembled here in Spain using a small crane here on site. And lots of passion, lots of thought about detail. Three levels. There's a shipmate's deck below me within the bow of the ship. We came to work one morning. One of our staff had been here over the weekend working. And look what they created. This ship's wheel. Isn't that fantastic? With rope detail, all handcrafted from materials we have on site. But just adding those little touches of imagination, creativity, and passion. Finished here with a 9-meter tree trunk, creating this big, awesome mast.